Hi, I would like to walk you through on how to have a successful televisit with Dr. Chan. First, please make sure that your child is present with you. It is very important that they are there during the call so that we can do an exam during the visit. Second, please measure your child's temperature, height, and weight before the visit. It may help to write them down on a piece of paper so you are prepared when the doctor asks you. 3. Around the time of your appointment, you will receive a text message from the number 88286 with a text message that has a link and tells you that your doctor is ready for you. Please click the link. Next, you will see a page that says Join Video Call. You want to click the button to join the call. Please make sure that your camera and microphone are on and that they are not crossed out. It is important so that we can see and hear you and your child during the appointment. And then you will begin your virtual visit with us. Thank you so much for watching this instructional video.